welcome to the Best Singers live reaction and watch party. We are now on episode 36. I'm like, how did we get to episode 36? But in these episodes, we dive into the singing techniques and the performances from the best singers around the world. And today's episode features Gabriel Enrique, which is why I'm sure you're here. So welcome. We are obviously going to be listening to Gabriel Enrique today. And I like to just share a little bit about why it is I do what I do. But I'm Collena. I have over 14 years of experience as a vocal coach and even longer as a singer. I've been singing since I was really young, and I've always been fascinated by how singers can just take a song and through their unique vocal delivery really just evoke those powerful emotions within us. I'm a bit of a voice geek. I love learning about the science behind singing, the anatomy and the physiology of the voice, and I just love breaking down amazing techniques that make amazing performances happen. Quickly, before we get into the video, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Westone Audio. I currently have their Mac 10s in right now, and they are absolutely amazing. The sound's so crisp, it's so clear, I can hear everything, and my listening to music is just on a whole nother level since I've gotten these. I use them every day. I use them for my reaction and analysis videos. I use them to edit my videos as well. So yeah, if sound is as important to you as it is to me, then check them out. My promo code is on the screen, VoiceSavvy10, and you can get 10% off, and the link is below. All right, let's get into the video. Nice, I like that ad-lib.
Gotta take a little time, a little time to think this over.
Oh.
And that we between the lines.
Oh.
In case I need it when I'm colder. Hey, in my life, there's been hurt and pain.
Oh.
I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now. I will travel so far to tell this lonely life.
All right, we're gonna talk. Let me come to the chat. Let's see if anyone's saying anything. Amazing. So Lynn is saying this one is spectacular. Billy Boy is saying, get ready for those whistles. Don't ruin it for me. Don't ruin it for me and tell me that he's going to do some whistles. Lynn is saying, just wait. Just wait. Amazing. All right. Again, we hear those beautiful soft onsets that he starts with. He also has that kind of richness in his voice as well, especially on those lower notes. He's in chest voice territory, so we are hearing a little bit of that chest voice resonance come through in his voice, but his overall tone is soft, it's rounded and slightly breathy, and I think that breathy quality really enhances just that reflective nature of the song, you know, but beautiful. And I love the way he hits the low notes. And what else was I going to say? Yeah, the transitioning. We'll come back and listen to it again. I want to listen to it again. But I love that transitioning that he's doing, the way that he's flipping. He's going between chest voice to head voice, the way that he's doing that. And then he just comes back again. It's so seamless, you know. I'm loving that. And that's what I'm hearing. So let me come back and just, listen to it again. I'm waiting for those whistles now, Billy. Thanks.
I gotta take a little time.
Such a beautiful
A
tone.
little time to think this over. And that we between the lines.
Oh.
In case I need it when I'm colder. Hey, in my life,
Beautiful.
there's been hurt and pain.
There we go, the smoothness.
I don't know if I can face
the transitioning, you know?
Can't stop now. I will travel so far to tell this lonely life.
Okay, cool. Because I was trying to say this earlier, but I just needed to come back and listen to it. But he has such a smoothness in his transitions. He transitions with so much ease when he's going between chest voice, mixed voice, falsetto, and head voice. And then also, I love the way he's switching between the softer onsets, or should I say the balanced onset to the softer onsets, and then back into the balanced. It's like so nice, so beautiful, so much control, amazing breath control, you know? All right, we're going to carry on. Nice.
I want you to show me. I wanna feel love.
I wasn't expecting this here.
I know you can show me.
So I wasn't expecting him to sing it in this kind of head voice and falsetto quality. So that's really nice. That's like adds such a nice touch to the song in that first chorus. Beautiful. All right.
I'm gonna take a little time. A little time to look around me. I've got nowhere left to hide.
Firmer onset now.
It looks like love is finally found me.
Chest voice nice.
Oh, in my life,
Oh,
there's been heart and the pain. I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now.
oh,
I will travel so far.
so soulful.
To end this lonely life.
Come on. Yes. Woo!
I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. Feel what love is. And I know you can show me.
Oh, I'm stopping it. I need to talk about it. Oh, gosh. Right. I'm loving the choir. The choir just really lifts the song. They really lift the song. And I think that they just support Gabriel beautifully, where he's kind of weaving in and out with his ad-libs. And the choir adds so much richness to the song, and just the harmonies as well. Just really, they elevate the emotional impact of the song as well. But yeah, I love it. Gosh, let me come to the chat. Adal is saying this song is Mariah Carey's favorite among Brazilians. Cool. All right. Billy Boy, yes, that soft head voice. It is the calm before the storm. It's beautiful. I love it. Love the soft qualities in his voice. It's like soft and breathy, but then it's still smooth, you know? And that's what I really like. All right. There's like this a smooth kind of blend with the choir, and that really compliment him. But yeah, let's carry on. Here we go. Woo! I always love a good key change. Okay. No. Oh, all right. I'm coming back. Those are the whistles that you were talking about, Billy boy. Right, I'm coming back. Stop it. Honestly, this just gets me too emotional, man. It gets me too emotional. Ay, ay, ay. Nice head voice there. Oh. Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Is that the... Oh, I loved, you know what? I love his expressions at the end. I love his expressions at the end. Oh, gosh. Wow. Okay. Like, so we have that key change in there. There's a lot of head voice resonance. There's a lot of high mix. And then he goes into whistle. Like, those were definitely some Mariah Carey style whistles, right? And you know what? Like, whistle is not easy to do. Like, it's produced by engaging the very top part of his vocal range and where his vocal cords are barely touching, you know, but the vocal cords, they have to be tightly compressed, and it creates that high, clear sound. But he has amazing breath support and control to just be able to maintain those delicate whistle sounds. It's like, it's crazy. And he just hits those extreme high notes in whistle without strain. Amazing. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you you don't miss out when we go live or when we upload videos, you know. So hit that notification bell. If you want to support the channel, then you can do so by subscribing if you haven't already, or if you want, you can buy me a coffee. You're more than welcome to buy me a coffee. And yeah, I'll put the link up on the screen. There's a QR code. Bye, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Much love and peace out.